You want to know how to add your work experience in Well-Found or AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So once you open it up, you should be under this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So right below home, you should also be seeing profile on the left hand side. So you just simply select that. And now once you're under your profile, you should be under overview by default. So right beside overview, you should be seeing profile. Just simply select your profile and scroll all the way down until you see your work experience. It should usually be right below social profiles. So you can just simply type in your work experience by first up selecting a company name. And now you can just simply type in your title, your start date, and then your end date. If you don't have any, you can leave it blank. And then add a description and then select save. And if you're good to go, I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.